Hi everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. Welcome back to SK Home Design. You will see here today an awesome video you will surely love. Very luxurious, lavish type of dressing rooms or dressing area. You can say you can decor your wardrobe according to your choices and you can turn it into an amazing, lavish type of dressing rooms. You will see here a variety of ideas I'm sure you have never seen before. These are top 2023 ideas that are very trending. These are looking very shady and very decent, like these are shown in some kind of movies. These are not impossible. You can decor your house dressing rooms like these. Just pick up any idea and try to improve your dressing room according to these. You will see a lot of change in your dressing area if you arrange your clothes, shoes, or bags according to these. It doesn't matter if you have a small space or a large space or a medium space. You just have to put an effort to make the place look like these and turn it into a very luxurious type of dressing room. Starting with the main thing is that you have to put a table or center table to the place where you can build your dressing room and arrange your closets around that center table, and then arrange your luxurious items like accessories or clothes or bags or any type of jewelry item according to these drawers or cabinets. The most important thing in your wardrobe area or your dressing room is your lighting effects, because you have to get ready for some type of amazing events. You have to look beautiful. So ladies and gentlemen, you have to put an effort for the lighting in that area. Lighting should be plain or very bright. That will tell you all about the flaws or mistakes you're doing during your makeup or your during clothing styles. You just have to be more careful about the lights. Friends, these are not very expensive. These are just looking like expensive or very lavish, but you have to try because these are very affordable. You just have to put your wardrobe in that kind of area that will build an aesthetic look of a dressing room. So friends, I hope you like this video.